Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video in our VFix channel, we'll uh, unbox Xiaomi Air Fryer. It's a 2.5 liter Xiaomi Air Fryer, which is a smart air fryer. It works with Amazon Alexa, Google OK Google, and also it also work with the MI Home. So we'll demonstrate everything. Okay. So let's get started. What should we wait? Probably we wait before you get subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Really, there we go. Came from Amazon. There are lots of red part. Oh yeah, I see there are some dents in there, but I'm not sure like since I did the warranty code. Then what you do? Put your knife down, open the warranty code, and throw it away. Then what you do? You remove this carbon cockshade. Done. So this nice little fella, it's not little, it's a big fella, is your air fryer. Yeah, what's inside? To give you something to grill. So I grill. Okay, I will grill. So that is for grilling, not so small. Good. And gone. Now this is gorgeous kind of fryer, my friend. Holy smoke! This is one good looking air fryer. Can you imagine how beautiful is that? Now, even my camera became shy. But don't be shy. Just do the rest for me. No, me. So, this is the camera. Come out, come out, daddy, come out. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Otherwise, I have my friendly neighborhood knife. My friendly neighborhood knife. There you go. It's open. And Xiaomi has gone long way. They are doing really well. I have a vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi, and this was also good, cool, white, all white. So this one is also cool, white, all white. There you go. So it has a 13 amp fuse inside. Now, it's already flagged. I don't have anything to do here. So it's already flagged. Alright. It's glossy, brothers. Sisters, it looks nice. It's cool. You have my wife will be very happy with that one for sure. I think she's already smiling. Now let's check it out. What's inside? That is my logo, and you guys are failing to see it. Here, the power button is a touch power button. Here, I think this is an OLED display. Okay, and then what it is? Ooh, the nice little phone. Ooh. Oh, wow, look at that. It looks cool, gorgeous. Nice looking air fryer I can never have. Why buy to the other air fryer where it looks so good, so beautiful? That inside is daddy. Yeah, this is the place where the electricity generates. Okay, babies. And here is the model. Hmm. And how is it rated is like 50 to 60 hertz to 20 to 40. So, brothers, sisters, it will not work in USA. It's a new made. It's ready for European Union and UK. But what it is, I'm in Singapore and in Dubai. So I can use it without any hassle. But you guys who are watching from USA, please make sure to order your country's voltage rated air fryer. But I can assure you this is a good little fella. Very good, very big air fryer. This is a small. It's not small, it's big air fryer. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. Next day I will in another video show you how to use that one on board this one. Bye. Take care.